In our previous video we showed you how to use TeamOne to define dimensions, hierarchies, elements and attributes directly in Google Sheets without a single line of code. Today we will use the same document to create version dimension in TM1. Let's add a new sheet and define our dimension and elements. We will use space indentation to define the element's hierarchy levels. And we can define the element weight after a semicolon. We can also define the element type, for instance a string comment element. As you know from the previous video, you can define as many element attributes as you need starting from column C. This time we will create caption alias. And specify the values for English locale. We will also use Google Translate to quickly add French translations. TeamOne will create the default and common subsets automatically. We will set the subset alias to caption. And define the default subset expression using TeamOne MDX mods. Instead of writing the actual MDX expression. Check out TeamOne documentation for all available mods. Now let's apply formatting. And finally run the code. We can check the results on the Model tab of TeamOne sidebar. It took us under 2 minutes to create a new dimension, element hierarchy, including the element attributes, translations and subsets. Moreover, all our work is already fully documented and can be deployed to any other environment in one click.